Anyway, gonna do a... One, two, mic check. We'll do a quick sound check first. Yeah, like that, right? If you're on TikTok, give me a quick yes in the comment section if we're sounding all right on deck 2. How's that sound? Does that sound good? Are we sounding funky? Getting loads of yeses, that's cool. Right now, deck number 1. How's that sound? Give me 2 yeses if we're sounding good with this. How are we sounding? Yes, if we're sounding crisp. Right, Dennis, bring the other one in as well. Ready? How are we sounding, guys? Yes, sir.